BenQ's RP series of interactive flat panels are optimized for your classroom. The panels can support up to 20 touchpoints at one time, making interacting with multiple students a breeze. They also boast up to 350 nits of brightness and full HD 1080p resolution for optimal readability from any desk in the room. In addition to this, all of BenQ's interactive flat panels come with zero flicker and low blue light technology, both of which reduce eye strain and fatigue over time. The screen of each unit features a layer of glare-resistant glass and a coating of ionic silver. The silver has bacteria-resistant properties that prevent bacteria and microbes from sticking to the screen. Needless to say, this feature is beneficial in the classroom, where the spread of germs is common. The RP series also features an integrated Android operating system, allowing you to access and install an ever-expanding library of compatible applications. Additionally, the panels are compatible with Windows, Mac, Linux, and Chrome operating systems, so attaching an external computer is a stress-free process. With easy setting one-time app configuration and over-the-air OTA firmware update, the RP series guarantees hassle-free app installation and smooth operation at all times. Multiple display administrator software makes it easy to manage your displays easily via the local network or serial port, saving you time, money, and labor. Our exclusive Data to Go function allows you to save your annotations and transfer them between devices using a QR code. No matter how you look at it, BenQ's RP series of interactive flat panels delivers practical and innovative education solutions. It's all part of our commitment to bringing you the best technology for your classroom.